Hi everyone, this is Linda from the duchesskitchen.com. Welcome back to my channel. For today I'm going to make apple cake, another easy and simple recipe you can make and add it to your sauces or cakes. Apple cake is just like lemon cake, but this time we are using apples instead of lemon juice. For this I'm using mixed apples to get a unique taste of my cake. So the first thing is to wash and peel your apples. I'm using peeler here, you can use knife, anyhow you get your apples done, go ahead and do that. Then just cutting them into smaller pieces so that I can cook it faster to continue with the recipe. So you can go ahead and do the same to the rest of the apples. Hi, if you are new here, I would like you to subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you. So we're going to transport them into a small pan, and I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. If you are using a medium-sized lemon, you can use it straight away. This lemon is big, so now it has cooked and it's very soft. So I'm just going to blend this and I'll be right back. So now we are getting started with the main recipe, the apple cake. So into it we have our apples, the one we just cooked and blended. We're going to use brown sugar and 2 large eggs. If you wanted a bit lighter color, you can use granulated sugar. You can also decide to either even cut down the sugar if you prefer. Yeah, and a little bit of a teaspoon of lemon extract to give it flavor. So now, as I said, we're going to cook, and the most important point here is to cook the eggs so that they are not overcooked. For that reason, we are going to use double boiler. So I have a little, about 1 to 2 inches of water in the saucepan, of which I'm going to put on fire on the stove for it to come to boil. Then I'll reduce it to simmering. Whilst it's boiling, I'm just mixing all the ingredients together so that it gives me a quick start. Now you can see water is really boiling, so I'll just reduce it to come to a simmering, so that I'll use a simmering to cook the cake. So you're going to stir this for about 5 minutes until all the sugar is dissolved and the egg starts cooking. And you want to be stirring constantly so that you don't cook the eggs quickly. So it's been 5 minutes and you could see it has changed in color. So everything is coming together nicely. So now after 5 minutes, we're going to stir in our butter. And that's our final ingredient. A tablespoon at a time until it's all melted. You can see it is a transformed sauce or curd. And at this time you could say it's almost done. It's not very thick, but it will thicken up as it cools down. And I think this is okay for me. But if you want it more thicker, then you can let it go a little bit longer. So this has been off the heat, and I'm going to strain it and let it sit in the refrigerator. You can choose to do it use it straight away, but I like to strain it to get a very smooth sauce that I can use and add it to buttercreams, use it as a dipping sauce, as a filling, and for in between used to be used in between cakes. So the possibilities are endless. And there we have our apple curd. And this one will keep in the fridge for a long time too. And you can even can it if you are into that too, and seal, so that when you are ready to use, you open it up. But after opening, then you refrigerate it. So I'm gonna just put cling film on top, and it should touch the sauce because we don't want any skin to form on top of it. And I'm going to set this in the fridge, and we are done. This is our apple sauce, apple curd, and you can use this as a dipping sauce, as a topping for ice creams, cakes, muffins, anything you want to use your apples for. You like apples, you can use this even as an apple jam in a way, and it is beautiful, it is wonderful too. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate all my subscribers. Like, share, and see you in the next video. Bye.